Yamaha motorcycle manufacturing facility stands before you. Know that transformation waits inside. Quality never pauses.
Traceability begins before processing.
Order replaces randomness. Surface integrity is critical. Preparation is complete. The moment raw materials meet the fabrication floor, transformation begins.
Material is shaped, not forced.
Heat control preserves integrity.
Form has now emerged.
With the parts secured and verified on the labeled transfer racks, the approved status allows these critical Yamaha R6 components to progress to the assembly line.
Safety and finish go together. Cleanliness prepares for bonding.
Moisture must be entirely eradicated for optimal paint adhesion and corrosion prevention.
Finished Yamaha R6 components are meticulously sorted into dedicated racks for the frame, engine, and suspension, ensuring that order prepares assembly.
Geometry is fixed before fastening begins.
Consistency is welded into every joint. Structure is now complete. The heart approaches the body.
Balance governs installation. Force is measured, not guessed.
Firmness. The Yamaha R6 heavy bike swing arm is positioned at the rear of the frame. As bearings slide into housings and pivot bolts align, comfort and control are engineered together. The steering response must be immediate. As we turn the handlebars lock to lock, we're checking for any hesitation or roughness in the bearings. The motorcycle now stands on its own.
As the primary wiring harness is routed along the frame channels, we ensure that signals follow disciplined paths.
Reliability is secured one connection at a time.
Power must be isolated and protected.
Intelligence joins mechanics.
These Yamaha R6 fuel lines are routed along the frame spine. Clamps secure the lines away from heat sources, ensuring flow remains uninterrupted.
Containment precedes supply.
With the alignment pegs seated, the mounting bolts are tightened. As we've discussed, balance defines the placement of this fuel tank. Response begins at intake.
As the fasteners secure, exhaust flow must exit without resistance.
Hangers tighten and vibration mounts engage, fully supporting the exhaust along the frame. This integration allows sound and structure to share space seamlessly. Temperature control protects power.
Cooling governs endurance.
Stopping power depends on integrity. Brake and clutch hydraulic systems on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike are prepared for bleeding. As reservoirs are opened and tools staged,
The machine awakens.
The systems now require tuning.
Precision must now be tuned.
As the interface connects, the data reveals readiness across all critical systems of the Yamaha R6.
Intelligence is synchronized.
Throttle response on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike is calibrated through controlled input cycles. As the grip
Protection responds automatically. Hydraulic pressure is applied to the Yamaha R6 brake system for verification. As the gauges rise and hold steady, the stopping force must remain constant.
Safety systems are confirmed before motion.
To measure the suspension sag on the Yamaha R6, we apply a controlled load. This is crucial because handling truly begins with balance.
Straight travel is engineered.
Gear engagement on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike is tested through sequential shifts. The selector movement remains crisp and controlled.
Motion requires discipline.
The final scan of all electronic safety systems is complete. All systems are operational. Redundancy protects the rider.
calibration data save complete. Yamaha R6 heavy bike. Final calibration data logged. Configuration is now permanent.
Cleanliness reveals true finish.
Finish quality is judged by the eye.
Clarity enhances presence.
The alignment and adhesion of the factory decals are critical. As you can see, the branding must sit perfectly flush with the fairing.
Tools click softly at set limits, while security remains essential even at the end.
Brake and clutch levers on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike are actuated repeatedly to confirm smooth travel. Return remains consistent.
The throttle is opened and released to confirm instant snapback. This responsiveness protects safety.
Visibility must never fail. Communication systems are simple but vital.
the motion remains smooth and silent, demonstrating that rolling resistance is minimal.
Brake drag confirmation. As you can see, the wheels continue rotating unhindered. Freedom of movement is verified.
Preservation matters beyond the factory.
We look closely at every detail because approval doesn't just come from a checklist, it comes from experience. This Yamaha R6 is certified ready.
Phase transition hold complete. The Yamaha R6 heavy bike is ready for release. The accessory kits, including the performance exhaust, racing levers, and frame sliders, are secured, ensuring every component travels together.
Ownership begins with records.
The VIN plate is scanned and cross-checked digitally. Identity is now verified before departure.
Power is secured for transit.
Temporary clamps secure movement, ensuring stability, protects alignment during transport.
The mirror fold and protection system ensures your visibility components are completely shielded from damage during transport or storage.
As you can see, the tension is set precisely and the balance is maintained.
Our breathable protective wrap settles smoothly without pressure points. The continuous airflow actively prevents moisture buildup beneath the surface.
Alignment complete. The anchor points match perfectly, demonstrating that even in shipping, geometry matters most.
Approval precedes motion.
The loading complete, the path is clear. The journey outward is imminent. Precision positioning prevents last-minute risk.
The movement is slow, deliberate, and monitored.
With the clamps engaged and the safety pins locked, this redundant securing system guarantees stability even in turbulence. Vibration control preserves factory condition. Performing the final strap recheck. Ratchets are confirmed silent, and we verify that movement tolerance is 0.
The bike is now sealed for travel. Traceability follows the bike beyond the factory.
The factory's responsibility is formally complete. The journey shifts from production to ownership. This is how precision engineering leaves the line and enters the world.